this year's iconic costume land in the trash. At least 83% of Halloween gear ends up in landfills. That's all according to environmental group Hubbub.
Yeah, and that translates to millions of pounds in textile waste, with more than 80% of that made from oil-based plastics that sit for centuries. But our guest today has tips for more earth-friendly Halloween costumes. Joining us is sustainable fashion advocate Lexy Silverstein. Thank you for being on with us.
Morning, Lexy.
Thanks so much for having me. I'm so excited to get into how we can make this Halloween a little less scary for the planet.
Yes, and you put together a lot of samples, which are so cute and we'll get to, but where can people go to craft costumes and buy them at thrift shops or whatnot, as opposed to Amazon or things that will end up in a landfill?
Yeah, completely. Well, I challenge everyone this year to secondhand source your Halloween costumes, or to even shop your own closet. This is something we can do all year round, not just for spooky season, but look in your closet, see what pieces you already have, and see how you can turn that into a costume.
It's smart. It's a good challenge. Now talk us through these examples of the costumes, but I want to start with the one you're wearing.
Yes.
Did you source this from your closet?
I sourced this from my closet,
Wow.
all of which is already mostly secondhand.
Right.
And so I started with this blue dress. I got it off eBay, secondhand, already used.
Nice.
And I paired it with a white tank top over top. Got a little black bow going on, and you can't see them, but some red shoes too. And so I'm going as...
Kick up your heels. No, I'm just kidding. Alice in Wonderland.
Alice in Wonderland. But if I took off this white tank top, I could rewear this blue dress as so many things. Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz, Cinderella, or even Snow White.
Yeah, this is a great one. The black bow just sort of tells the story, and it's just a ribbon that you needed. Yeah. Let's work our way down this way. You have a pirate and a little Bo Peep.
Yeah, so starting with the pirate, I got this, long sleeve white shirt, and I paired it with a vintage blue striped dress, but you can really go in any direction for this. Add a vest, add some shorts, some pants, but I think what really ties in this costume is that bandana.
Yes.
I feel like we always think of a bandana when we think of a pirate, so this costume will have people saying "Arg, matey" to you all night long. But if we go over next door to this pink dress here, you can go so many things with just the simple color pink. So here I have Little Bo Peep paired with this adorable Little Bo Peep hat that I did already have in my closet. I know most people might not have that, but you can so easily secondhand source it. And you can also turn this one into Barbie. You can turn it into Glinda the Good Witch, or even Elle Woods from Legally Blonde. I know I've been Elle Woods before. Yeah. I have a very cute, very small dog, and I like to rope her into my costume to play that iconic role.
Yeah. Do Toto and Dorothy.
Oh, completely. I
like where you're going with this. Where's Waldo?
Yeah, I mean, I'm glad you got it. Sometimes it's a little hard to find him. So this one's a good one of pieces you might already have in your closet. So we have a red and white striped shirt, a classic pair of blue jeans, and just a red beanie. Super simple pieces that you can really make this costume come to life.
Yeah, that one is easy to put together, right? That's so easy to find. And then this one, you have a Scarecrow or Chucky.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, I see it.
Yes. Okay. Well, there's so many things I think that you can do with just a good pair of overalls. Yeah. And so I've paired it right now with a rainbow, striped chunky sweater. But if I switch this out over here on the art table, we have a plaid shirt or just a flannel, and if I switched it out and paired the overalls over top, maybe stuck some straw in my collar, and have a hat here, we can DIY this hat, but I secondhand source this one, and you can become a scarecrow. And my favorite thing to do with any accessories, look at it come to life.
I like a scarecrow hat.
That's cute.
My favorite thing to do with any accessories is to keep them.
If I only had a, what is he missing?
Scarecrow, not the heart.
A brain. Something like that.
Clearly I'm missing one. Okay, let's keep moving on.
But yeah, with these accessories, I say keep them for next year, hang them up, put them on the table somewhere, and they can be repurposed as Halloween decor.
I like that too, Halloween decor.
Yes.
Space Cowboy, like having a moment, Tin Man, could you do that with this?
Yes, of course. So Space Cowboy, grab anything gray, anything silver in your closet, and you can become either a Space Cowboy. I have a silver hat here.
You have some examples over here. We can take that camera. We have a Space Cowboy and Witch, and also this is Risky Business.
This is Risky Business here.
Easy.
Super easy things you already have in your closet. These are for kids here on the desk. At the end of the day, maybe your kid just wants a costume. So keep your costumes, make a dress-up box, a toy box, some sort of thing, and they might, rewear it to a play date, or maybe just the grocery store, whatever suits them.
The preschool little parades, and then you got nighttime, the whole day. Indiana Jones?
Yeah, so many accessories.
One accessory can go a very long way.
Very long way. Tells a whole story.
Very true. All right, for more sustainable fashion tips from Lexy, pick up her book, The Devil Wears Vintage. Thrifting hacks are all inside of that, or you can head to LexySilverstein.com for more costume ideas. Thank you.
Thank you for being
so
here.
much.
All
Thanks
of
for
the
having me.
Creativity.
We'll be right back.